The financial impact of Hurricane Ian is not fully known, but will be significant. And if you're thinking about adjusting your insurance coverage right now, you probably can't.
Once the storm threat becomes a watch or a warning, it's often too late to get a new policy or make changes to the one you have. 5 on your side's Keely Arthur explains why and what coverage you may have now. Keely?
Well, believe it or not, this is a very common practice, and it's for the very reason that insurance is meant for unforeseen or unknown losses. Allstate, for example, has halted new coverage in our area. Still, your current policy likely has you covered at least partially, and now is a great time to review it. Coastal county properties likely have separate wind policies. For named storms like what we're dealing with Ian, your deductible is probably higher, around 2 to 3% of the coverage amount. And if you want to do the math here, for a $400,000 home, that is going to be about $8,000 to $12,000. That's according to Turner Walston, an independent insurance agent here. Closer to home, you'll likely have coverage for wind-driven rain, but not rising water, which would fall under flood coverage. Many people don't have flood insurance unless it is required by your mortgage company in our area. Well, whatever your coverage that you have, it is a good idea to mitigate disaster. Bring indoor items like patio furniture inside. Bring valuable items to higher ground. You can kind of seal the cracks on your doors and windows. And something for all of you without power listening on the radio right now, unplug your devices so you don't have a power surge once the power turns back on.
You know, a lot of people don't know what kind of insurance they have, so the reminder is helpful.
Yes, absolutely.
Thanks, Keely.